Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video here will show Micah's University College Virtual Art Gallery. So let's fly on into it. Artwork fly.
Artwork Fly.
My name is Kayla Ferguson, and I have here with me my colleague Elizabeth Swady. We're students at the Michael University College pursuing our bachelor's in secondary education with specialization in visual arts. Now, we have been humbled by the Michael experience and will forever be grateful for the amazing experiences that we've garnered since being here. Now, if you find yourself thinking, about walking through the gates of the Michael, then you are considering a career in teaching. The question is though, what aspects of teaching do you wish to pursue? Now, education is powerful, but a visual arts education will not only showcase your skill sets, but also develop your ability to think critically, problem solve, innovate, inspire, create, and appreciate works of art, not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its origin, its cultural diversity, form, and function.
The Michael University College Visual Arts Department is waiting to groom you in becoming an optimally rounded visual arts teacher. You will be exposed to practical courses such as painting and mixed media, introduction to ceramics, indigenous culture, life drawing, and introduction to 3D art, just to name a few. You will also be partaking in educational courses such as the Emerging Teacher, Foundations of Education, Argumentative Discourse, etc. Personal and professional growth is absolutely important, and so the Michael University College wishes for you to engage in courses such as personal development and the art of science and happiness. Don't forget the clubs and societies, sports, parties, seminars, and workshops that will aid you in having a balanced experience. So, if you are contemplating colleges for September morning, then contemplate the Michael. Contemplate the visual arts department. Contemplate making an impact. Potential Myconians, you are in for a treat when you walk through the gates of the Michael.
And now, we present to you our virtual exhibition 2021. All works within the exhibition belongs to Myconians, with 95% of all works presenting belonging to students who are presently at the Michael. Now, the scope of the work covers a number of expressive forms, and I hope you feel inspired and motivated to join us on this journey with your imagination. It will broaden your imagination, your eyes will widen, and your minds transform.
Enjoy the show.
And keep
safe.
Vision show. Now, as was mentioned, the 95% of these pieces that you will be viewing in here belongs to students who are presently enrolled at the Michael University. When you walk into the exhibition, you will see some instructions, so you may click on artwork to view them closely or to read the signage. So each piece that you will view in here, you are able to click on it and see the student who produced it. So for example, let me show you what you do when you come in. Alright, so you just go there and you can click on the artwork and you will see it come up to the side. This is a Yaba pot. This is ceramics. The artist is Jesse Bartlett. It's earthenware and it was done using iridescent bronze. Alright, so it's a dry brush finish, and the majority of you who are CTEC students and CAPE students would be aware of those finishes. Alright, so when you come into the now see some painting pieces on the wall. These are mixed media paintings, by the way. Again, you can click on the piece and you will see information up. All right. So let's turn out now and let's go. As you can see, some of these pieces are talking about imaginative compositions. All right. So we have look at some of these conceptual pieces. These are some of the conceptual pieces that we have. So we have a piece over here. All right, so this piece was done by Lansitos. It's acrylic on canvas. It's Mother Earth. All right, very creative. We have a piece over here, which is a conceptual portrait. And this young lady is Miss Shanoy Jarrett, pencil on paper. All right, so this is her, and this is how she sees herself, and so that's what she portrayed. All right, so those of you who are now at the sixth form level, when you reach to the micro, those competencies that you have, what you'll be doing is you are coming in with those skills, and we are going to help you to nurture those skills and transcend yourself. Take you outside, the regular drawing and painting, but for you to now conceptualize and go beyond that which you have experienced. All right, so we're going to click this room and we're going to come into this other room that we have here. All right, so you will see some of these pieces. Let's go down to this. Who can identify this person? Let me see the first person in the chat who can identify this person. Who can identify this person? It's ready. Look in the chat to see whose name came up.
Chris Gale. Christopher Henry Gale. Christopher Henry Gale.
Christopher Henry Gale. This piece is actually at the Norman Manley International Airport, I believe. And this piece was done.
Where's the gift? Where's the prize? Where's the gift?
We'll talk about that. All right, so this piece was done by Adrian Parkinson, painting acrylic on paper. We are so happy to have this young man. He is an incredible talent, and so we are really blessed to have him on our team. All right, so that's Mr. Parkinson. This piece is at the airport. All right, so you can see in here again we have various pieces. All these students right here are at the MICO presently inside this room, second year students, and this is some of their portraits that they have done. Some of them were all right, so we're gonna go outside. Right? So here we are now. What we did is to take some of the pieces now, and we want to show you how they're functioning within a space. So you can see that because we want you now to think beyond aesthetics. So you are now thinking about function. How do they function? We did make them large, but if you can see, this piece is in a living room area over the little couch area right there. All right? That's a painting piece. We're going to come down here now. Going to turn around, go in between our trees. We love nature, all right? All right, so that's another piece that we have here. This is done by a fourth year student right now who is on her way out. Did excellent yesterday in her final assessment. So congratulations to Ms. Richmond, and this piece belongs to Ms. Richmond. All right, so these are some fourth year students who are making their way out, but they will never be forgotten. All right. Now this piece is by Mr. Watson, young man who absolutely loves colors. Here you have another ceramic piece over here. We're showing you how it's functioning within a space. All right, so here it is. I believe this was also done by Ms. Richmond. All right, so let me click on it. I don't want to give credit to anyone else. All right, let me see. Yes, it is Ms. Richmond, Earthenware. All right, so congratulations, Richmond. All right, so another ceramic piece there, just happy new year. It's still a new year. All right, let's go around the back, see what's happening around there. All right, so we have some pieces on the wall. All right, so you guys would be aware of your your little mosaic pieces. This is what we call trapunto. Many of you would be, of the 5th form and 6th form students, are aware of trapunto. All right, so that is the example that we have there. This is the young lady who presented, who did that little introduction, Miss Kayla Ferguson. This piece belongs to her. This is one of her pieces. So congratulations, Miss Ferguson, who is also a present second year student. All right. So to the oh, sure, absolutely. All right. So here we have it. Trapunto, it's right here. All right. So you have some embroidery techniques juxtaposed with trapunto. All right. So let's go down. All right. So when you guys come and you're going to be doing your indigenous culture, you'll be doing making costumes like these. Don't think it's crazy. You're just embracing the culture. And here we have Miss Aricia Brown, extremely talented young lady. This is Miss Katrina Richards, all right, who is a present 4th year student who is also on her way out. We're going to miss them a whole lot. All right. This is a piece from a student who literally just left the Michael. All right, Miss Allen. That's correct, right, Miss Redley? You have to give credit where credit is due.
That's correct.
That is correct. Thank you. All right. So this is when you come here. So now we have our special thanks over here. So Tanisha Redley, acting HOD, Carol Brown, lecturer adjunct staff, Martima McPherson. I'm not sure if you're aware of Mr. Martima, probably the lecturers, facilitators, education officers as well. For students, you will hear about Mr. McPherson, a very, very, very passionate man about visual arts. All right, Miss Monica Graham and myself. All right, so the names that appear here are students whose works are exhibited. Please remember, you are highly skilled, multi-talented, and multifaceted. Keep shining. And these are the names of our educators and artists, because that's what they are. They're educators and artists. And when you come to the Michael, yes, we're teaching you in the art of teaching methodology, but in addition, you want to make sure that you are as multifaceted as you can be. And so you don't necessarily want to just focus on education. You still have a skill. And so what you want to do is to use that skill and be able to function within society. So you can be able to have your teaching career, but then you have your functioning artist or an artist who is blossoming. And so you want to make sure that when you're garnering your education, that you identify your areas of strength, that area that you think, okay, I can function from this, even though you'll be exposed to everything. Because at the MICO, you're not specializing. At the MICO, you are doing every single area. But then when you reach the 4th year, you do what is called an independent study, where you focus on your area of choice.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.